Hi there! It's a wonderful Sunday afternoon and we have a lovely week with sun and really good weather, but I know what you want. You want to know how to clean your grills. So today I'm gonna clean my Genesis, I'm gonna clean one Master Touch, and I'm gonna clean the electric. So hang on and I show you piece by piece how to do it. I have been working with grilling for over 30 years. During that time, I have thousands of people learn how to make them be a better griller. Not by making it complicated, but showing how simple techniques can give you amazing results. On our channel, I guide you through everything you need to know about grilling to do it on the next level. Whether you're going to use a charcoal, gas or electric, I'm going to teach you how. So whether you just starting out or have been grilling for years, I'm here to share the practical tips, the recipe, tricks, and to help you to make the grilling to your next level and maybe be the best in your neighborhood. So hit that subscribe button, fire up the grill, and let's get started. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a new level of grilling. We will start with the Genesis, my grill. Most of the Weber gas grill is working nearly the same. So we start with this. I'm gonna use steam. I'm cheating a little, but I use steam in the beginning on the outside. Now it's time for the cleaning. I have two, enamel clean and stainless steel clean. So we start with this enamel. Just waiting a little, and while we wait, we take the stainless steel here. And just to dry it off. So now it's nice and clean outside and all, but when you do this, don't forget to clean inside also, because if you don't, you're gonna have rust in the end. So clean also inside. So now we have clean outside and of course inside here, so everything is clean. So now it's time to start outside. So we take away this heat sensor first and the grates. We put them in water. Oops. As you see, they are quite dirty. So, and yes, it's really dirty. So I'm gonna clean this now. I'm gonna show you how to do it easiest way. I just use this and then I take it out. I scratch first, like this. Take away most of it. Don't forget on the inside. And then put it in the water. Down to the water like that. So now it's time to clean inside. You see it's quite dirty here. Now I go over to use this instead in the plastic. It's not so noisy, it's easier to get rid of the dirt. You have a lot of small plates where you cannot get the big one, so you have to take this small one instead. We get rid of all the dirt all the way. Now we take off this protection plate and clean them. As you see, they are quite dirty. This I just put in the water as I did with the flavorizer. So when it's about to clean the burners, same with the electric, never use the old one that you use for the grate, use one for the burners. So now we turn on the grill and see if it's clean enough. You never have to open this more than a half, like this. Never ever more. You don't need it. If you get a fat burn in the grill, it's easy to close. Okay, now we try. Oh, look, so nice. It's perfect blue, little yellow, yeah, but it will be perfect. So that you have perfect. Now we take out from here. Oh, I forgot to say, take a new one to this So all the dirt that coming in the grill, as you can see, going to a dry one. So now it's time to clean this, but I will do it inside and coming out again. See you in a little while. So now it's time to clean everything here. Lay in the water a little bit. So when you put it in the water like this for a little while, everything go off. And then after, I'm gonna put stainless steel there's this. And now it's time for the grate. Are they dirty? Oh yeah, they are so dirty. But remember, never ever take soap on cast iron. Just water. And the other side. Now we just wait till everything dry up again, and the grate is over here to dry, and most of the grill is finished. We're not gonna take this black here because that is proof that the grill worked the right way, but most of it is finished now. And now we'll put And now we take this that's so clean and nice again and put in place. Like that. And this in place. So. And the gas in place. Yes, you can have a 10 liters in here. So, and then we put This doors on again. Wrong way. So now we take this and use stainless steel to spray it like this. And put it in place. Nearly as new, you see. And time for the flavorizer. Same procedure. See, nearly new again. So now we take the nice grit again. Whatever you do, don't use olive oil. You can do fry oil or whatever, but I used cast iron protection. I think that's better. On both sides, of course. First one. And second one. Now the gas grill is finished, so just to put the cover on it. So, what you say? Is there any difference? That is it. Your Weber is clean and ready for storage. Take care of it now. Take care of you for the next barbecue season. Don't forget to subscribe down here for more tips and recipe. See you at the grill and see you next Sunday, 2 o'clock again.